Welcome back to Auto Pulse. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan, a supercar that continues to redefine performance, design, and technology. Lamborghini has taken the Huracan to the next level, making it faster, sharper, and more advanced than ever before. The exterior design is more aggressive and aerodynamic, with sharper lines, larger air intakes, and a more pronounced front splitter that improves downforce. The Y-shaped LED headlights retain their signature Lamborghini look but now feature advanced matrix technology for better visibility. The sculpted hood and side profile enhance aerodynamics, while the new adaptive aerodynamics system actively adjusts airflow to optimize performance. The rear end is just as striking, featuring a massive rear diffuser, an optional active rear wing, and a reworked exhaust system that produces an even more exhilarating sound. Lamborghini has also introduced new lightweight carbon fiber elements to improve efficiency without sacrificing strength. Under the hood, the 2025 Huracan continues to use the legendary naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, but it has been fine-tuned to push out an incredible 650 horsepower. The engine delivers a spine-tingling roar, and with improved airflow and exhaust tuning, it sounds even more aggressive than before. The car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, putting it on par with some of the fastest supercars in the world. Power is sent to all four wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that provides lightning-fast shifts. The improved all-wheel drive system now features an upgraded torque vectoring setup, making the Huracan more agile through corners while ensuring maximum grip. Lamborghini's Anima drive mode system allows you to customize the driving experience with 3 primary modes: Strada for everyday driving, Sport for a more dynamic experience, and Casa for maximum track performance. Each mode adjusts the throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering feel, and exhaust note to match the desired driving style. Additionally, a new performance traction control system enhances handling by intelligently distributing power between the wheels, allowing for controlled drifts and sharper cornering. Inside the cockpit, the 2025 Huracan combines luxury and race-inspired elements seamlessly. The driver-focused interior features a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster that is highly customizable, displaying everything from speed and revs to real-time performance telemetry. The new infotainment system integrates Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Lamborghini's AI-assisted driving features, providing advanced navigation and real-time driving insights. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine Italian leather, offering a balance between comfort and performance. The seats are lightweight bucket style with improved lateral support, ensuring that the driver and passenger stay firmly in place during spirited driving. The fighter jet-inspired center console houses an updated touchscreen, a redesigned start-stop button, and drive mode selectors for a more immersive driving experience. Lamborghini has also introduced new customization options through its Ad Personam program, allowing buyers to personalize almost every aspect of their Huracan. From unique exterior paint options and wheel designs to custom interior stitching and carbon fiber trims, each Huracan can be tailored to fit the owner's preferences. Limited edition trims and special performance packages will also be available, giving enthusiasts even more ways to make their supercar one of a kind. Performance is not just about speed but also about precision and control. The 2025 Huracan features an upgraded suspension system with magnetorheological dampers that continuously adapt to road conditions, delivering a perfect balance between comfort and handling. The recalibrated steering system provides sharper feedback, making the car feel more connected to the road. Lamborghini has also improved the braking system with new carbon ceramic brakes that offer better stopping power and heat resistance, ensuring consistent performance even under extreme conditions. Another major advancement in the 2025 Huracan is its focus on efficiency without compromising the raw, naturally aspirated experience. A new lightweight hybrid-assisted starter system helps optimize fuel consumption and reduce emissions, making the Huracan slightly more eco-friendly while retaining its signature power. The improved start-stop technology and refined engine management system help maximize efficiency when cruising at lower speeds. On the track, the new Huracan shines with its improved aerodynamics and lightweight construction. Lamborghini has used more carbon fiber and aluminum in key structural components, reducing overall weight and improving handling dynamics. The car's active aerodynamics ensure maximum downforce when needed, keeping it planted at high speeds while reducing drag when cruising. The combination of power, balance, and cutting-edge technology makes it one of the most thrilling supercars to drive. Lamborghini has also hinted at future variants of the 2025 Huracan, including track-focused versions and limited production models that will push performance even further. Special editions with enhanced aerodynamics, more aggressive styling, and possibly even hybrid technology could be in the pipeline, making the Huracan an ever-evolving masterpiece. For those looking for the ultimate driving experience, the 2025 Huracan delivers in every aspect. It combines breathtaking speed, advanced technology, and an unmistakable design that turns heads everywhere it goes. Whether you're taking it for a spirited drive on the open road or pushing it to its limits on the track, this Lamborghini offers an unmatched level of excitement and precision. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan and how it stacks up against the competition. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Auto Pulse, and I'll see you in the next video.